The Craigkey CEDJ cabinet door mounting jig is an easy-to-use tool that helps install cabinet doors accurately. Its support arm securely holds the door while mounting hinges, and it can adjust for different door thicknesses and overhangs. The included micro-adjustment shims enable precise positioning of the door. It works with both face frame and frameless cabinets and accommodates left and right-hand doors. Simplify cabinet door installation with the Kreg KHI-CDIJ cabinet door. Mounting jigs' efficient features and versatility. The Vacco aluminum alloy hinge. Jig is a durable and lightweight tool made of aluminum alloy. It supports 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, and 6 mm hinge offsets, and has a 35 mm hinge hole and drill bit positioning hole. The included limit ring enables drilling depth adjustment, and the universal clamp provides stable clamping. With its precision-bearing guide drill sleeve, hole drilling becomes smooth and simple. This versatile and easy-to-use hinge jig is an excellent choice for accurate and quick cabinet door installations. The Allway HSN Handy Saw Nest is a versatile pistol-grip keyhole saw designed for cutting curves, circles, and frets in hard-to-reach areas. It includes 2 blades for metal and wood cutting and offers 4 adjustable positions for various tasks. The saw is lightweight, easy to use, and suitable for both professionals and DIYers. However, some users have noted that the blades can be delicate, and it may not be as powerful as some other saws. The saw's dimensions are 4.5 x 1.62 x 14 inches, and it weighs 100 grams. The 7.5-inch blades have 14 TPI and are made of steel and plastic. The Komatic PD-80 Edgeband trimmer is a powerful and portable tool used for trimming and finishing edgebanding on furniture and cabinetry. It has a 30,000 revolutions per minute motor for handling wood, PVC, and melamine materials. The micro-adjustment scale ensures precise cutting, while the telescopic dust collection cover keeps the work area clean. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to use. However, it can be a bit noisy and may not be as versatile as some other edgeband trimmers. Mirka sanding pads are the perfect solution for sanding contours and irregular surfaces, providing excellent flexibility and softness to prevent oversanding. Their design ensures great tear resistance and reduced grain shedding, resulting in longer-lasting performance compared to standard hand sanding pads. Each color-coded pad comes in a convenient size of 4.0 inches x 5.0 inches x 0.5. You can choose from 10 packs or 25 packs available in various grit options, or opt for the multi-grit pack, which includes 5 pads each of all 5 grits for added versatility. The Bosch Workbench PDWB 600 is a versatile and durable workbench designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It features an aluminum frame and bamboo work surface, ensuring robustness and longevity. The bench can be easily folded for storage and transportation. Its built-in clamping system securely holds workpieces up to 200 kilograms for stability during projects. The work light is adjustable, providing optimal visibility, although it may be slightly expensive and the work surface not as large as some alternatives. The Bosch Workbench PWB 600 is a reliable and well-equipped option. The Leigh Isoloc Templates for D-Series. Jigs offer 3 templates to create interlocking Isoloc joints, known for their strength and aesthetics. The set includes the key and mirror key template for versatile projects, clover and bear's ears for unique designs, and ellipse and wave for modern elegance. Made from high-quality acrylic, each template features 2 joint patterns and requires only a 8mm straight bit for routing. These templates are compatible with the Leigh variable guidebush system, allowing for adjustable joint fit. They are user-friendly, adding strength and beauty to your woodworking projects with ease. The Infinity Self-Centering Doweling. Jig is a high-quality aluminum tool that ensures strong and accurate dowel joints. Its automatic self-centering action guarantees precise center drilling, and it comes with 12 steel drill guide bushings for various dowel sizes. The jig is user-friendly, simply aligning the drill guide bushing to your mark, securing the part and placing the jig on top of the joint. It works with materials from 3/8 to 2 inches thick. Ideal for woodworkers seeking professional quality results, this jig makes creating dowel joints easy and reliable. The HART Professional Stud Finder is a powerful and accurate tool that can detect studs up to 1.5 inches deep. It features a 5-inch LED display that shows the center and edges of studs simultaneously, making it easy to find studs in walls with multiple studs. The stud finder also includes a live wire warning to alert you of live wires near the stud you are scanning. Simple to use. Just turn it on and hold it against the wall to get instant results. Durable in construction, this stud finder is a safe and reliable choice for anyone needing to find studs in walls. The versatile Allway Contour Scraper, set with 6 stainless steel blades, is perfect for removing paint and coatings from contoured surfaces. Its soft grip handle ensures comfort, and the included blade file keeps blades sharp. Ideal for various projects like molding, surface preparation, wallpaper removal, and grout cleaning. Efficient and durable, a great choice for DIY projects. The Kreg 90° pocket hole driver is a compact drill attachment with a 3 inches square drive bit and magnetic tip, allowing confident and secure screw driving in tight spaces. It is impact rated, making it suitable for use with impact drivers. The tool's ergonomic grip and compatibility with all hex shank bits ensure ease of use and versatility for various projects. Its design enables driving screws in hard-to-reach areas with precision and efficiency. If you need a reliable and efficient solution for driving screws in confined spaces, the Kreg 90° pocket hole driver is an excellent choice. The Damstom Blue Panel Clamp is a versatile 2-bar clamp designed for woodworkers to create perfectly flat panels. Its Acme threaded screw provides precise clamping pressure, and the adjustable bars accommodate panels from 3/4 inches to 4/2 inches thick. The powder-coated blue finish ensures durability, and the tool-free adjustment simplifies setup. This clamp is ideal for various woodworking projects, including tabletops, door panels, and cabinets, preventing panels from buckling or bowing. For high-quality and effective panel clamping, the Damstom Blue Panel Clamp is an excellent choice. The DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig, when used with the 450 miter jaws, guarantees holes drilled perpendicular to the mitered edge's center line. Its adjustable jaw optimizes strength by drilling as close to the inside face as possible without penetrating the stock. The jig accommodates stock of any length and can handle a maximum width of up to 185 meters. With these features, it provides reliable and precise drilling results for woodworking projects. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.